Neo has reached its milestone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual, guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. Neo has reached its 1 millionth mass production vehicle, officially rolled off the production line at its Haifei F2 factory in Anhui province today. Hold on to your shares, my dear lads. I told you guys, this is how they shake off the retail and the weak. Just before profitability, they're making you think that this company, something must be wrong. The share price, why is it going down? It's what you call market manipulation. They did the same to SoFi Technologies and caused a lot of people to sell, retail investors to sell their shares. The milestone vehicle is a starry green all new ES8. It has taken approximately 7 years and 7 months since the first Founders Edition ES8 rolled off the line in 2018, making NIO the third new automaker to achieve this million unit milestone following Li Auto and Leap Motor. But we know Li Auto is crumbling. At the event, NIO announced the donation of this vehicle to the Anhui Mosey Quantum Technology Foundation. May 27, 2018, the first mass production model ES8 rolled off the line. April 7, 2021, the 100,000 vehicle rolled off the line. So that's 2 years later. April 26, 2022, the 200,000 vehicle rolled off the line only 1 year after. December 12, 2022, 300,000 vehicle rolled off the line. September 8, 2023, 400,000 vehicle rolled off the line. But listen to this, guys. May 9, 2024, 500,000 vehicle rolled off the line. So you see how we're picking up the pace. October 11th, 2024, 600,000 vehicle rolled off the line, less than a year. May 10th, 2025, 700,000 vehicle. July 24th, 2025, 800,000 vehicle. In only 2 months, it took them to do another 100,000 vehicle. January 6th, 2026, 1 millionth. Yes. In the recently concluded year of 2025, NIO delivered a total of 326,028 new vehicles, a year-on-year increase of 46.9%. All three of its brands, NIO, Onvo, and Firefly, achieved breakthroughs in delivery volumes, guys. But they want you to think something is wrong. That's why the stock is going down. You need to sell. That's when you buy. NIO CEO William Lee stated that 1 million vehicle is a new starting point, and NIO is entering its third phase of development with high quality growth as the core objective. Following the event, NIO organized a small media roundtable where its executive team shared several core strategic goals for the new phase. Regarding product planning, the company revealed that the 2026 model year vehicles will see a comprehensive transition to the third generation platform. Furthermore, the NIO brand will introduce new products in the high-end, mid to large vehicle segment this year, guys. The Ladao brand also has product updates and the launch of the L80 model planned, focusing its efforts on the mid to high-end range vehicle segments. Concerning the new ES9, the CEO William Lee disclosed that new models will be launched in Q2 and Q3 of this year. The ES9, as we all know, will be larger than the ES8 and will incorporate all the technologies featured in the ET9 plus some. Unbelievable what that is going to be. The production trial vehicles have recently been approved. In terms of brand and channel development, NIO aims to continuously increase market share across segments through the differentiated positioning of its main NIO brand, the family-oriented Ladao brand, and the premium compact Firefly brand, maintaining an annual sales growth rate of 40 to 50%. And Lee revealed that the three brands are preparing to target lower tier markets to drive sales volumes, with plans to launch integrated Sky stores housing all three brands. The first batch of these stores is expected to begin operation around the Chinese New Year. On the technology front, NIO will continue its strategic focus on the 12 full stack technologies to ensure, technological and product leadership. The company's cumulative investment in research and development has exceeded 65 billion yuan, with over 18 billion yuan invested in its battery swap and charging infrastructure, the biggest infrastructure of any EV company in China. For its charging network, NIO targets to surpass 10,000 charging stations and 10,000 battery swap stations by 2030. Does this sound like a company going out of business? I think not. The fifth generation battery swap station will begin large scale deployment in early April this year. When asked about achieving profitability in Q4 2025, key here, guys, very key, William Li expressed strong confidence. He mentioned that over 40,000 units of all the new ES8 were delivered in that quarter, which carries a high gross margins, contributing several billion yuan in additional gross profits. With good cost control, Li is confident in the results. Although the final figures are not yet released, he is confident that we have met profitability in the fourth quarter of last year. But the analysts are pretending not to see that. They're still manipulating the stock on Wall Street. We know no one is selling, we know that, but we're hip to their games now. It is worth noting that on the same day, listen to this, guys, NIO signed a framework agreement on co-building a collaborative innovation platform for the automotive industry development with Chery Automobile and JAC Motors, and finalized an industrial cooperation project for vehicle chip collaboration with Lumisil Microelectronics. It is going to be massive this year. Profitability have been met in the fourth quarter of last year and a full year of profitability ahead. We are getting ready to become multi-millionaires. I hope you guys found this video yet again to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. If so, guys, don't forget to hit that thumb. Right it. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie, where from the ground level up, as to how the games are played on Wall Street. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.